I am at a stream where there are a few trouts, but I don't think they're very big. It should be a fantastic potential here, but for some reason the trouts are not that big. But they're beautiful, and I think the stream is wonderful, so I like fishing here. I think it was a mistake coming here today. The current is so strong that I don't feel comfortable fishing. And putting on a dry fly, that was stupid too. Well, we caught a couple of fish on the more calm stretches. I think I'm gonna try further down the stream, a few kilometers down the stream. We're gonna drive down there and have a short session there. I'm now further down the stream. It's quite different from further up. I have to go down and deep. Heavy nymph. That was not working. I was catching absolutely nothing. But as you can see here, I have caught some fish at this place before. So it used to be a good spot to fish graylings, but didn't catch anything today.